Let me tell you our success story and how we stopped bedwetting in our family. Both of my children were wet almost every night and wanted to be dry. We tried waking them at night and stopped drinking before bedtime, and nothing seemed to work. First, I took our children to their primary care provider to make sure they did not have a medical problem. Both children had normal physical exams and urine tests. The doctor then recommended the Wet Stop 3 Bedwetting Alarm and specifically told us to read the free bedwetting book that comes with the alarm. He also told us to work as a team and we would have excellent results. I purchased the blue and pink Wet Stop alarms online. Then I downloaded and read the complete bedwetting book written by a pediatric urologist. I learned that both my children need good daytime bladder and bowel habits to be dry at night. I put my children on an every 2-hour bathroom schedule and started them on a low-dose laxative since they both have had some constipation problems in the past. I even bought them both a wobble watch to remind them to go often during the day. This watch reminds them to use the bathroom every 2 hours. I read the instructions carefully, which told me how to correctly use the bedwetting alarm. First, I removed the battery door and moved the switch to AV for both sound and vibration alarms. Then I correctly inserted 2 new AAA batteries. It showed me where to clip the alarm near the shirt collar and place the cord under their shirt. Finally, it showed me that we needed to clip the sensor on the underwear near the area that first gets wet. I told my children how the bedwetting alarm works before our first night. I told them that when the sensor gets wet, the alarm will be very loud and vibrate. Then I explained how to turn off the alarm by first wiping the sensor dry and then pressing the flashing red button. But most importantly, I told them they still need to go to the bathroom and try to pee when the alarm goes off. I reminded them that I would be close by if the alarm goes off and I would help them turn it off and go to the bathroom. For the first few nights, I waited until the kids were asleep for about an hour to trigger the alarm by pressing and holding the white button for 5 seconds. This was like a drill and I had them wake up to use the restroom. This prepared them to wake up easier when they are wet. This really helped train their bodies to respond to the alarm. In the morning, we discussed how the alarm worked again, and I promised to help them wake to the alarm since they are both heavy sleepers. We discussed how this may take several weeks and that every morning we would need to place stickers on the progress chart. My children both wanted to be dry at night so they could spend the night with their friends and go to summer camp. I remembered that our doctor told us we need to be a team and work together in order to get the best results. They loved the reward stickers. Silver means I tried and gold means dry night. As you can see, we started off slow and over several weeks they both became dry. We used the alarm for 4 to 8 weeks until we had dry nights for 2 weeks. My son took a little bit longer, but he's finally dry. Just look at his chart. Now our 2 wonderful children have healthy daytime bathroom habits, no more constipation, and dry nights every night. The Wet Stop Bedwetting Alarm has been the only solution for us. Thank you for allowing us to share our success story with you. Goodbye.